Welcome to Dataworldsolution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about unpivoting transformation in Azure Data Factory. Unpivoting help to take the wide and short table and turn them into tall and thin table. That's make easier to analyze in visualization tool like Tableau and Power BI. So let us suppose we have a business scenario. We have an Excel sheet with a table that has sales data in it. It has 7 columns, 2 for country and country code, here country and country code, or 5 for every year between 2011 to 2015, here year, and this is has sales data. Each of these column has sales data for that year. We want to reshape this data so that it is easier to analyze. We can achieve this by turning using unpivoting transformation in Azure Data Factory. Here is the raw data, and we want to do this into country code, and here year in row and sales also in row. Here year in column and sales also in column for respective year. So let's see here raw data. Here is the data. We want to do this into this format. So let's do using Azure Data Factory. So here is the home page of Azure Data Factory. So let's go to here manage tab to create a link which data available in this here storage account, and storage account you can see, go to here storage account and container and raw file, and here is the unpivot data. Okay, pivoted data set which is here, you can see here this format. Okay, this raw data available in this file. So this Excel file not visible in blob storage, so you can see here, you can download and check here. Click on this and you can download. Okay, so let's go to Azure Data Factory and create here. Go to here manage tab and the linked service and create here link, and select here Azure blob storage. Type here blob, select here blob, click on continue and name it ls blob. Select your appropriate integration runtime. Authentication type, here I am selecting account key, and select here subscription pay as you go. Storage account name as a Dataworldsolution and click here continue. Okay, here link service created. Now go to here author tab and go to here dataset to create dataset. Click on new, select here blob storage, click on continue, choose your file format here, in this case Excel, and name it ds raw data. Select link service, click on this browse button for file path, here raw data file, and this is the data set. Okay, worksheet mode, select here sheet name, go to here select sheet name and select schema here none and first row as a header. Okay, click on OK, and this is the properties of this dataset. File path, hide this, and you can also view from here. Click on this to view, you can see here dataset available in this. So go to here schema tab and import schema from connection and store, loading this schema, and you can see here the column name and data type. Now go to data flow, click on this three dot and select here new data flow, name it df unpivot transformation, and now select here data source, go to here and setting, select here dataset, select dataset your, and allow schema drift option and sampling here disable, and hide this source page, leave it, and after completion we want to delete file, or you want to no action and you want to another container, so you can choose your appropriate. As of now I am selecting here no action projection. You can see here column name, and you can change here data type as well, so I am leaving it as a string. Partition, here I am choosing current partition. Inspect, you can see here the column name and data type. You can also preview. Let's select here refresh, click on refresh to see your data. Here fetching data, you can see the data available in this source. Click on plus icon and select here unpivot. Okay, now output stream, here unpivot 1, and source incoming stream this one, source 1, and select here ungroup by, here choose country, click on plus icon and select country code. Now go to here unpivot key and select here key is year, and here column data type is string, and pick column name as a value. Select on this and go to here unpivoted column, select here normal and select here sales. Okay, and this is also a string, you can see here source. And now go to here optimization, current partition, inspect is looking good, and you can see data from here. This is unpivoted data, it should be. So you can see here country, country code, year in row, and sales also in row. You can see here, and you can sync this data set into your database, or you can also use sync in the data lake. As of now I am selecting here blob storage to sync. Okay, so let's go to here sync properties, data set unpivot, select here new, choose here blob storage, here denominator continue, and write here dataset name, final dataset, link service, select here blob storage, choose file name here, and select here unpivot data schema, select here none, setting, you can also see any properties, allow schema drift, go to setting, error, uncheck this, mapping, select here auto, optimization, here current partition, inspect, you can inspect here, you can also check here preview to see any error or data, here your data set available in this. If you have any error, then you can see here. And now if you want to run this, let's minimize this, save all data and data set by using publish to all, publish, and this is a deployment in progress. Here publish is completed. Now go to here pipeline, select here new pipeline, pl underscore unpivot transformation. Okay, hide this and go to here activity tab, move and transform, and select here data flow, and go to here activity, go to setting and select here data flow, and here compute size I am using a small, and logging option here I am choosing verbose. Okay, and we do not have parameters, so leave it, and you can run using add trigger now, or you can use here debug method. So let's use debug method to do this transformation. So let's wait for now, it's take 30 to 1 minute. After 52 seconds it succeeded job. So let's go to here storage account, container, row file data, and you can see here the final data. Okay, go to here, edit and preview. Here country, country code, year and sales. Okay, so congratulations, you know how to transform using unpivoted from tail data source to long tail data source. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.